Okay, in this recording we're going to show you how to generate the Zoho BACS batch recording. The BACS batch is how to allocate a number of payments against some outstanding bills and upload those directly to your bank account. So if we go to purchases and if we go to bills, we have to select bills that are outstanding for payment. So let's hit these three down here. Now these three here, we've got two going to ABC and one to ACS. We hit generate our BACS file. Within here we can select the parent account. We can hit the date. So I'm going to make this payment on Monday. And it's added the amounts together. So we've got one bill here for £4.80 going to ACS. And we have this one here, which is added the two together to the 175. So here it's saying that we are going to record the payment, and it's downloaded our payment for us so that we can upload that directly to our bank account and we can record the payment. So here's the payment that has gone out here on the 9th of September, and this payment is telling you what bills they're paying. It's telling you it's done by bank transfer, and you've got the individual amount sitting here for you. So therefore, when you come to do your bank reconciliation, you've got the amounts there. The downloaded file is found within your downloads, and you can upload that directly to your bank account.